Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain about ECMAScript imports. ECMAScript import means nothing but instead of using a keyword require to import the module, we will use the keyword import. So by default, we are using require constant add require and path. We have to define the path. So I'm going to create a file called spec.js. Here I'm going to create a addition functionality, add arrow function, parameters. Here return a plus b. Next, here I'm going to export by module exports. Here add. So here I'm going to provide add 1, 2, and it is going to be in a console. So after providing this function, now you can run the index.js file. So you can see it is normal import using require function. Instead of this, if I am going to import by ES6, add from dot splash .js file. Again, if I am going to run means, here you can see import cannot be done outside the module. So I'm going here, instead of module exports, I'm going to provide export and move the function inside here. And here you can see we have given JS function. Node.js will by default treat the module as the common JS. So if we need to indicate Node.js, we are going to use ECMAScript or ES6. We have to rename into the extension as JS to MJS. So here rename MJS. Now we can clear and run again here. Now you can see the value has been given again. So this is how ECMAScript import can be implemented in the Node.js. In next video, I'm going to explain about the watch mode and JSON format import. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates on time.